So we're going to do a resort tour of Margaritaville and Lake Conroe, Texas. So these are the doors you enter in. We're going to walk in. To the right is where you check in at. And to the left is the retail shop, the guest elevators, and Joe Merchant. I love this big old huge flip-flop. So up the stairs you have License to Chill bar. You have restrooms right here. Again, right there to the right is where you check in at. And places to sit here. Very nice area to relax. I love this picture. Texas. Here's the men's restroom. I guess the women's is on the other side. You have an ATM. So here's the back of the resort. I'm going to turn around. We're going to go view the rest of it. I wanted to show you this wall first. I like how the waterfall is. So, on this big old flip-flop here, you got Margaritaville Souls of the Tropics. I wonder if that says it on every flip-flop or not. So we're going to go into the retail shop here. Here's the Margaritaville Store. And here's the hours of operation for it.
Oh, cute.
So we got shirts, magnets, cookbook, and a tray, TV table tray type thing. You have this towel, it's for sale. Okay, I like this little shark here in a pirate's outfit. Got more shirts here. Salt and pepper shakers. Hello. You even got shoes here. Let's see if they have it on every flip-flop. Nope. Alright, so from that store you turn to the right again. I like the surfboards that they have. You have guest elevators here. Okay. You have Joe Merchant's coffee and provisions here. Here's partially what they have. Pizza. They do serve Starbucks, so it's a pretty big area here. Pick up here. I guess you order over here. I'm not gonna order anything, not yet. Of course, it kind of looks like they're closed. But here's their menu right here. Looks like breakfast. So on this side, hot drinks, frappuccinos. Might have to come get me a frappuccino in the morning. And then over here, you have fruit cups and all, you have ice cream, you have sodas, energy drinks. Ooh, and I like how the tables are in the shape of a surfboard here. That's pretty cool. You can get some chips and candy and oatmeal and more candy. Okay, we're going to walk out of here. And from here we're going to take a right. So from that store we take a right. We have another seating area here, right across the way from the elevators. Here's some guest rooms down this way. So you know me and Disney. Look at that. There's a hidden Mickey in the floor. There's a better one here. There you go. I do like the floors here. They're waves, but they look like hidden Mickeys. Here's, I guess, the exit for Joe Merchant's Coffee and Provisions. Another nice seating area. And then you got Pearl Lake here. So, that's all that you got inside. We're gonna go up this door. And again, here's that waterfall that I was telling you about, the wall. So inside to your left, over that way, is where you check in. Straight across out the front doors there is the front doors, of course. Aha! I see the pool and all. So my room is way up there, third from the top, way up there. Pretty cool. I love the signs here with the parrots on top, or toucans, whatever you want to call them. You got Land Shark, you got Lone Palm Pool Bar, 5 o'clock somewhere, restrooms and pools and towel. Now let me tell you, from the room, this looks like it's very tiny, but it's actually pretty big. So there's the lazy river right there.
I think that might be great, actually.
You got the kids pool over there, and the bucket had just dumped. You got the general pool here. And the pool hours is from 9 to 10, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Got the restrooms right there and the surfboard. I love how it feels tropical. You smell the chlorine, but it smells like you're at a water park. Feels very nice. Got a hot tub right there. Got water slides right there. We got Land Shark Bar and Grill. Again, there's the pool area right there, 5 o'clock somewhere. Bar is right there. And it's a swim up bar is what that is. So that was my tour of Margaritaville in Lake Conroe, Texas / Houston. It is Houston area. It's north of Houston, maybe 20 minutes. So with that, thank you for joining me and have a magical day.